Hello again, it's Boxing Day now. Happy Christmas if it's about that time when you're watching it. So I filled it a couple of days ago now, and it did take a while before it went hard. I don't know why, if it's because it's cold or didn't put enough hardener in it. So this is the second fill. I'm still going to have more filling to do afterwards, but each time it seems to get lower and lower. So what I'm going to do is get a bit of wood, something quite about 6 inches long, with sandpaper on so I can get it flat. And yeah, there's a few more bits. Once I've sanded it back down, we'll have a look then and see what needs more filling, but I presume it'll get less and less. Yeah, and maybe another fill. Right, I've given it a sand down with a block. There's still bits in here. These need filling up and then re-sanding again. But it feels nice and smooth. There's a couple of areas where that needs a little bit more. It's a little bit low there for some reason. And there, where you can see the fiberglass, I need to put a little bit more in there. But apart from that, little bits down here. There's a couple of bits to fill out, make good. Yeah, a bit there. But apart from that, it's pretty good. I think with a coat of paint, if anyone's seen my painting before, they'll know that I'm not very fussy. I do put lots of paint on. My theory is there's a chance it might get crashed again, so I don't want to put too much effort into it, because it'll just make it more painful if you do crash it. So a bit more filler now. Right, that's the next lot of filler done. And I've sanded it. I sanded it with 80 grit, and then went over it all with 320 grit. So what I'm going to do now is get some primer, get the primer warmed up, and give it a coat and see how it looks after that. So I've actually ordered some primer now. I've got 5 litres of 2-pack primer, but I'm too scared to paint it, because I think really you need proper air-fed masks and what have you. I brought a mask that's specifically for 2-pack, but you know, it's dodgy gear and I don't really trust it. So I'm going to, yeah, when that turns up, I've got the cellulose primer and cellulose paint. I've gone for it's white, it's a BMW Mini colour. It's called Pepper White, so it's slightly off-white. I think it's going to look a similar sort of white to this, which is a slight cream, which is the sort of white I'm going for. Right, let me get I'm going to put the primer in the sink in the hot water and give this a hoover, clear all the dust up, make a bit of a sort out in here while it's warming up. Not sure what this primer's for, but yeah, I just want to get a base coat on to see where I am with it. I've got a proper mask for vapours rather than dust. It seems to work, so let's get a coat on. Right, that's the paint drying off. I can see there's like a little nib there, a little bit there. There's a few scratches in it. I think it just needs a bit of fine filler in places, but at least I can see now. But that's looking much better. Yeah, certain bits. So if I can get it sort of fine filler, flattened down, then it'll be ready for the, when I prime the whole car. It'll be more of a shape to it. Right, it was just a short video just to finish off the painting of the priming of that. Thanks for watching.